Mac Mirage, sitting here, man, just thinking, when it's all said and done, oh baby, will you miss me?
A failure, never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted. Bitterness has been tasted because I never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted because I never made it.
Let the hate come, I'll embrace it. It doesn't matter if I make it. All I care for was staying real and not being caught up in the fake shit. Like some I've seen who came down this lane before me. I'm gonna win, regardless of the obstacles. The right of places in my story. I've gotta fight and keep praying someday that when this is over, God lets me see His glory. I don't spit rhymes to pass the time. They're meant to give you an escape from the everyday struggle. Relax your mind, let your conscience be free. Show you my appreciation for traveling with me on this journey. Also, you gotta hear what I'm saying, even when I'm just saying. I give you honest feedback. Hey, I expect the same back. So what? That Mac don't make it. Will you miss me?
Failure, never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted. Bitterness has been tasted because I never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted because I never made it.
I think of this as a gift, can't say another day I could be in a box along with others who passed away. My soul caught in flight, I see forever night, but no more hate or struggles just to keep food on my plate. Is there a heaven, or do we all meet up and wait? I like to think that our essence will return to our Father's pearly gate. Seeing loved ones who made it home before me, bro, forever together in His bosom, greeted with the winds and halos. Let me flip the page, there's a new beginning, except this one involves torment forever, never ending. I pray it's only if you're caught up in the useless spending. Yes, one cardinal sin that's taken down so many men. But if I don't make it, will you miss me, huh?
Failure, never made it. My family devastated. A lifetime just wasted. Bitterness has been tasted because